Unraveling the mystery of linking verbs and predicate nominatives. Hello, language explorers, and welcome back. Today, we're taking an exciting journey into the realm of English grammar to explore a key concept: linking verbs and predicate nominatives. This may sound a little complicated, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be comfortably using these grammatical tools to enhance your English writing and speaking. So, buckle up and let's dive in. First, let's clarify what we mean by a linking verb. Linking verbs, sometimes referred to as copulas, are verbs that do not express an action. Instead, they connect or link the subject of a sentence with additional information about that subject. The most common linking verb you may already know is be. Others include become, seem, appear, feel, and look. Example: the apples are red. You seem happy. In these examples, are and seem are linking verbs, as they're not indicating any action but are simply providing more information about the subject. Now, let's turn our attention to predicate nominatives. A predicate nominative is a word or group of words in the predicate that identifies, describes, or renames the subject. This is usually a noun, pronoun, or adjective that follows a linking verb. Example: my brother is a doctor. Those shoes are mine. The music sounds beautiful. In these sentences, doctor, mine, and beautiful are predicate nominatives, providing more information about the subjects, my brother, those shoes, and the music, respectively. Now that we understand linking verbs and predicate nominatives separately, let's see how they work together in a sentence. The linking verb connects the subject to the predicate nominative, giving us more information about the subject. Example: Jennifer is an actress. The sky appears blue. I am happy. In each sentence, the linking verb is, appears, am connects the subject, Jennifer, the sky, I, to the predicate nominative, actress, blue, happy, providing additional information about the subject. And that's it, folks. We've just untangled the fascinating concept of linking verbs and predicate nominatives. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. So, try to incorporate these into your daily English usage. We hope you found this video useful and enlightening. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, the world of language is an exciting place to be. See you in our next grammar adventure.